Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I made a video and I thought why not vlog my experience of going to New Jersey for a few days. I go pretty frequent, I want to say once a month, but in all honesty it might be even more frequent than that. It's something I am super grateful for. The purpose of this trip is because my friend Sabrina is getting engaged on Sunday. I'm going a few days early because I'm going to be working on her cake and dessert table and also to spend more time with my family. It is Tuesday, January 20th. It's 5:08 in the morning. My flight is 7:30 a.m. Come along with me for this trip. Alright, let's leave as they're distracted. My knight in shining armor. So early, an hour and 40 minutes early, but at least now I get to finish my book. It's freezing. It's so cold. First stop, Turning Point with my mom. Hey guys, we just got home. We went some grocery shopping for my dessert order that I'm making this weekend. And we went to Hobby Lobby. And look at all this snow. First order of business when I come home is I get my New Jersey water bottle, fill it up. After a long day of traveling and errands, I need my water bottle. And I'm looking everywhere, every cabinet, only to find out that my sister took it. She took my water bottle. This right here is my favorite spot of the whole house with the recliner. So that's the first order of business. It would have been 10 times better with my water bottle in my hand, but this will do. Just for a few minutes to relax. We are now heading back out to run some errands. We're at TJ Maxx now. Whenever we go shopping, all I do is this. Just watch my mom go through the clothes. Picking up the little sister. Hello.
Hi, why are you recording?
Why not? We are back home and here's my water bottle, but she went to the doctor, so I missed her. Look at this adorable lettuce. Oh, yeah. Made rose بشعرية ملوخية. I love ملوخية. فراخ. And رقاق. Whoa, hot chocolate from Akihi. Sabrina and Jenna picked it up. I got a lychee soda water. Doing some fun engagement stuff. Good morning. It's now Wednesday. I'm gonna make myself some tea to start off the day. Ahmed and I went to paint your own pottery place, and this is the mug he painted me. So it's my go-to mug every time I come and visit. If you know, you know. I know that they're hiding it from me. This is exactly what I want with my tea. My favorite spot. So this is the book that I'm gonna read. I got it such a long time ago. We're gonna attempt to read it since I'm a reader now. Actually, it looks like I read the first 9 chapters. If you offered me $1 million, I still wouldn't be able to tell you what the heck I read. So let's restart it. Guys, after reading a little bit, drinking my shay, I'm gonna start baking. We're gonna start with making the cookies, bake the red velvet cake, and we're gonna put it in the KitchenAid while it's still hot to make some cake pop mixture. Alright guys, this is the progress of the cookies. They just need to be decorated. We got a ring, we got a heart, and we got a circle. I was supposed to make 12, ended up with 24. I'm gonna do something crazy and clean this cabinet. I've been pushing it off for so long and I can't find anything, so we're gonna clean it. Guys, this is the aftermath. I still have not looked through these. This is all sprinkles, pearls, sanding sugar. There's some that I'm gonna keep, some that I'm gonna throw out. This over here is my gel food coloring. Most of them are gonna get thrown out. They have spilled and made a mess. Like, I'm probably gonna keep this green and this black, maybe that black, and throw out the rest. These are all my edible dusts, miscellaneous, a ton of cupcake liners. That doesn't even include this bag of liners that I need to go through, this bag of mini liners that I need to go through, and lastly, this is another bag of food coloring. I'm gonna throw it away as it is. As you can see, one or two of them leaked and got the rest of them dirty. It's gonna need a good wipe down. So we'll see if I can clean it because I ruined my parents' cabinets. I feel horrible. Good as new. I could not be more proud of myself. Here we condensed the sprinkles and we placed them in a way where you could see all of them. Here we got the food coloring. We condensed it to just 4. All my edible glitter. These are pearls with the edible glitter, just like miscellaneous thing. All the cupcake liners. Worlds of a difference. Worlds of a difference. Hey guys, it's Thursday now. I completely forgot to tell you, we got 30 burgers last night. Delicious. I got a bullseye burger. This is how far we've gone with the cookies. I wanted to finish yesterday, but cleaning out the cabinet took a lot longer. So the plan is to finish these right now. Now we're taking a little bit of a break, having a nice light breakfast. Hey guys. I am dressed now for an interview. I'm a bit nervous, but it's okay. We're gonna knock it out the park. I know that I'm a great fit for this job. I've never done a panel interview, so I'm a little bit nervous about that. They need me. I don't need them. Let's get it. When I tell you guys that that was the longest interview of my life, it was so long. I'm sweating buckets. I had to come and rest for a little bit. I don't want to toot my own horn, but I think it went well. We gotta go back to baking, but I need to rest. I made the cakesicles before my interview, and now we're gonna take them out of the mold. All right, guys, this is what the cakesicles are looking like right now. They still need to be decorated. I just cleaned them up. I definitely have to wipe down the cakesicle sticks once I'm done. But now I'm gonna go get ready for delicious dinner. I completely forgot to vlog this. I'm a bad vlogger. We're at Sushi Takumi. We already ate so much, but this is what we have going on right now.
Oh, I am so sorry.
Dinner was delicious. I'm very grateful for such a yummy meal. Alhamdulillah. My sister is being very silly. We're back home. I'm in my PJs and I'm ready to get to work. Here are the cakesicles. I think they turned out amazing. They're so elegant and pretty and bridal, and I really love how they turned out. These are the cookies so far. Hearts with engaged on it, these with their names on it, and rings. We started off with 24. We're down to 20. That's why you make extras, people. I messed up 3 rings. 3 already, and they're not even done yet. I still have a headache from this interview from earlier, so I'm just gonna have a cup of tea and relax before I continue the cookies. I rolled up the truffles. Now I'm gonna finish the cookies before I head to bed. The cookies are done. I just can't help but feel that this one, like this style, is just too simple. Like it needs pearls or gold leaf or something. It's just engaged. I'm gonna ask her and see what she thinks. Good morning, guys. It is 7:30 and it's time for us to bake the cake. The cakes are in the oven, and now it's time to dip the Oreo truffles using these beautiful custom sticks. I just took the cakes out of the oven and they smell incredible. It's Biscoff flavored. Hey guys, I'm heading out to get breakfast with my friend now. She's coming to pick me up because I'm carless in New Jersey. We're back home and straight to work. I changed into PJs, of course. Hey guys, I'm heading back out. I'm just kind of finalizing some details for tonight. Something special is happening to our friend Sabrina. We finished the Oreo truffles and I think they turned out so cute. Just a little hard to like make them stand up straight because the sticks are so long. I love how they turned out, and now it's time to work on the cake. Mancini's for dinner. I was too excited and I took a bite. Hey guys, it has been a hectic, would you say 24 hours? It's been a hectic 24 hours. I kind of like stopped vlogging because it was just a bit too hectic. So the engagement got pushed up from tomorrow to tonight. So I've been a little bit stressed out about finishing what I need to finish. I just finished the chocolate covered strawberries and I need to work on the cake, but I can't find my cake scraper anywhere. My sister is taking me to Hobby Lobby. It is 11 a.m. right now. The engagement party is at 8 p.m. Let's say we're gonna leave the house around 6. Another dilemma is the display stands are coming today and I'm just hoping they come before 6. Oh, also today it's 14 degrees. Guys, we're frozen. Now I really want to get that crumble cookie because I saw a TikTok about it. The brown sugar Pop-Tart one. I need it. So it's across the street. This is the one that I really wanted to try and it's the smallest one. Oopsie patootie! Alright guys, the first tier is finished. I hate making pearl cakes, but I can't deny it does look so cute and so bridal. Second tier is done, but I don't even care anymore because my biggest stress right now is that the display trays are scheduled to come between 5:15 and 8:15, lunchtime. The cake is finally complete. There is a cake topper, but I'm gonna put that at the venue. Just love how it turned out. It's elegant, simple, bridal. Hey guys, I know there is like no light in here and I probably look super pixelated, but I just wanted to give you an update. The display trays came, they literally just came. I feel so relieved. Honestly, like that was my biggest stress, is that they weren't gonna come in time. But alhamdulillah.
Hi vlog.
My sister Nanuj. We are 8 minutes behind schedule. I said 6:30 is the latest and it's 6:38. I'll take videos of what the dessert table ends up looking like. I'm very excited. I just hope we have enough time to set up because the time is clicking and we're not moving. Hey guys, Saturday night. Post-engagement party. It was really fun, but I'm exhausted. Slow day tomorrow. Let's get it. That's a ruler, so we definitely have a foot of snow because it's covered. Hey guys, I haven't spoken to you all day. It is a Sunday night. We had a snow day and we just made some birria tacos. They look amazing. Good morning, guys. It is Monday morning. I was supposed to fly back today, but I moved my flight to tomorrow just to be safe. We decided we wanted to go out, run some errands, and maybe grab some breakfast, but we can't even leave the driveway. The post office was closed, so now we're at Paris Baguette. This is what we got. Sweet potato croissant, my favorite. I picked this and the creme brulee bonbon or whatever it's called. Chocolate something, crab meat something, apple something. I also got a salted caramel matcha. Looks a little funky monkey, but we'll see. Really sweet. We're trying this new Thai place. It's not new, it's new for us. Mom got shrimp pad Thai. Lena got chicken pad Thai. Noora got chicken drunken noodles. I got chicken with eggplant Thai basil situation. Looks so amazing. That food was so delicious. I enjoyed it so much. We all did, alhamdulillah. I think they will be seeing us again. A kihi hot chocolate.
He loves shoes more than anything.
Good morning. It is Tuesday. It's 4:45 a.m. in the morning. My mom is taking me to the airport. We landed 2 hours late. What the heck is this cute?